welcome back to another grocery haul. You can see them at the back over there. But yeah, you guys said you like these, so I'm just gonna keep giving them to you. Yeah, let's see what we got this time. Okay, so we're gonna start here as usual. We always start on this side of the table and we work our way. I'm gonna start with toiletries basically and cleaning supplies. So the first thing we got is this Pledge. I don't know what this floor polish. Lovely. We got that. We got a sprinkler because we left ours at the old house. We got 2 cans of Doom because we ran out last month. We have Dove here. Love Dove. And 1 Nivea. This one's for my mom. It's this black and white one. Then we have toilet sprays. These smell really good. My favorite one says peony, bloom, and cherry something, I think. But this one smells really nice too. Just try them all. My mom loves this one because it smells like baby powder. But yeah, we got those. We got 2 things of, what is this? Toothpaste. And then we got this air freshener thingy. I love how this looks. This grainy air freshener thing. We have one up there, but we have 2, but this one's for the bathroom, and it's this really yummy smelling spray. They had it in one of these, but it was a limited edition, and now it's finished, and so they're bringing it out in this. So we got one of that. This was $40, so it's not too bad. We got 8 bars of soap. That's Lux. We got them from Macro. Those were pretty expensive. They're like $13, whereas if you get them from Checkers, sometimes they're $9. So you should check those out. We got these massive sprays for the car. Cherry and musk flavor. That was a special 2 for $100. There they are. And then this, I'm putting them together. These 2 tire gloss plus this was a special, 3 of them for $100. So we got that. And then we have this leather cream. We've never tried this, but my mom wanted to check it out, so we got that. We have shoe polish over here. We haven't bought this in a while, but it recently ran out, so we got that. And then we got, I can hear the baby. And then we got this Blue 52 float. And then we got a Shocket from HTH. We also have the granules over there and Oros, just in case I forget those. And then let's finish the slide and then we'll go that side. We have 3 little frozen meats here. We have chicken gizzards, 2 packets, and then 1 chicken necks. And then we have 2 kg basmati rice. Those were special as well. And then we have, what are these soups? We have a few of them, they're all chicken. And then we have chili beef flavor stock and Heinz tomato sauce. This is my favorite one. We've recently been using that Wellington's, I think it's called. It tastes good too, but this one's my favorite. And then we got 2 herb spices, mixed herbs and Italian herbs. We have the we have this burr salad and french fry dressing. We love this. We ran out last month. Under these soups over here, we have series juice. We usually get the road ones, which is $100 for 4. And then these ones are $120 for 4, but they didn't have the flavors we wanted in the roads, so we got these. These are our favorites, really. We love that one. So yeah, and then we got 4 of these, mainly because my sister usually doesn't buy him purity. Like she said, it has preservatives or whatever. And when I saw it today, I saw this, it says no preservatives, no colorant, no artificial flavor. And so I was like, oh, but she said they had that, so we got 4 of them for him to try out. She usually gives him this squish because she said it has no preservatives, no colorant, no flavoring, no starch. So she usually gives him that. But when we saw that this is basically the same thing, we said we could try this. So if you have opinions, be sure to leave them down below so that we know which one's the better one in any case. We got a block of margarine. We got this cream. We usually get that big Orly, I think it's called, one. I think it's a 1 kg, but I noticed that when I'm cooking, it separates if I put it into something, but that could also be the heat being too high. So yeah, but we still have one in the fridge, but I thought we should switch it up and go back to what we used to use. And then we got this Ina Parman's cheese sauce. We've never tried it before. I'm really excited because it's ready made, and you can probably like spice it up by adding garlic, and that will give it like a garlicky taste, which is how we like our cheese sauce. So I'm really excited about that. And then we got this panko butter chicken sauce. This is a ready-made little packet. You just fry your chicken pieces and then you add this and you're good to go. So we got this. It's got a little recipe thing at the back. It says it's medium heat. I'm really excited. I really like butter chicken. It's a little obsession. And then we got cheese, cheddar. Oh, both cheddar. Shaking. I think that was the only one we had that was available. We got simply chicken smoked Viennas. We got bacon cuts. We usually get the shoulder, but you know, we cut it up anyway when we put it in food, so we just got that. And then we got this crumb chicken breast strips. The picture doesn't really look that appetizing, but I thought we should try them just. And then we got these Bliss yogurts. It says 2 for $50, which I think is like the cheapest deal they've had so far for them. We got lemon meringue and strawberries and cream. We got a pack of bananas, a pack of potatoes, 2 things of eggs because these are so affordable and the eggs are huge. They're jumbo eggs and each packet is $56, so $57. So we got 2 of those. And then obviously, it wouldn't be a grocery haul without choice assorted, so we got a pack of that. And then back this side, we got chopped garlic. We ran out of that, so that was tragic. We got cling wrap. We have aromats here, chicken spice. Those are peppers, curry. And then I got this. I got this little value pack of tomato paste. So last month I bought tomato puree, and my mom says it's really, really sour. She doesn't like it, but I told it's the same thing as tomatoes. But anyway, I got this just so that she can like add a spoon or 2 to like any soup that she's making to give it that tomato flavor. But yeah, it's like a little fruit cup, but there's 4 of them inside. And then we got this big packet for 2 kg, I think, 2.5 kg of cabbage. We have this bird barbecue sauce over here. We have this Hellmann's, hold on, let's focus you. Okay, we have this Hellmann's mayonnaise. Yeah, we have this Hellmann's mayo. My mom tried mayo from Frankfurt, I think it was 2, maybe 3 years ago now, and she's been raving about it, so she's trying to find something similar. So yeah, we got that. We have these 2 packets of 2 kg country mix frozen vegetables. We have this cheese, which I really don't like, but my sister uses that for lunch. And then we have 2 things of butter because that was the special. And then lastly, we have maize meal. We probably eat pop once, maybe twice a month. If that month is really, really like fancy, maybe twice a month. But then we'll have porridge maybe once a month if we're lucky. So that's everything. It was really, really short haul this time because my mom bought things from like other places during the week, and so this was just the filler grocery haul. But oh, there's one more thing. The last thing we got is the Ruimsig. We got 5 pack of those. That was on special. But yeah, that's everything. It was really short haul. I like this short haul. It was very manageable. So that's everything. Okay, so that's everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.